All right, let's talk about how you can create a drop-down list in Excel. So in this example, we just have headers labeled month, product, and sales. And so basically what we want to do is create a drop-down list in these cells here that only allow you to select a particular month out of a drop-down list. And then let's say for our business we have 3 products, so we only want someone to be able to choose from one of 3 products from a drop-down list as well. So the first thing you're going to want to do if you're dealing with a list that you want to be a little bit longer, for example, there's 12 months in a year, so there's going to be 12 different options in a drop-down list, which is a little bit bigger than normal. So if you have a list that's going to be a little bit longer than just a couple values, what I would recommend is creating a new sheet here and then adding that information you want to include in the drop-down list. So if I type in January here, and then I select that and I drag down, Excel is going to recognize that's a month, so I can put all my months in here, and then we can go back to the original sheet where we're going to add the drop-down list. Now select on the cell you want to include the list on. So that might be a range of cells, that might be a single cell. In this case, we'll just do one single cell. We'll go over to data, then find this little icon for data validation, select data validation, and this little pop-up menu will appear. In settings, you're going to want to go down to hit this drop down and select list. And then down here, this is the source, or this is what that drop down list will consist of. So there are kind of 2 ways we can input information here for our drop-down list. Now the first way is to go to this second sheet that we had created and reference all of the months that we had created. So we'll just click and drag and highlight that range of cells that we want to include in our drop-down list, which are the months of the year. So we'll go ahead and hit OK. And then here in this cell that we selected, it's going to give us this drop-down menu with the months that we can select. So we'll just go ahead and select April. And then here in our product, again, we have 3 products. Another way you can do this is to go up to the data ribbon, select data validation. In settings, select list. And then in our source, what we can do is we can manually type that as well. So product 1. And then for each item you want to appear in the list, you'll separate that with a comma, product 2, comma, product 3. So then if we hit OK, that's going to have these different products in our list. So those are kind of the 2 ways you can add information to the drop-down list. You can add it manually, or you can reference different cells or a different range. And then we can just put in whatever number we want here. So there you have it. That's how you can create a drop-down list within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.